In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automatically play audio in Google Slides. If you want music, narration, or sound effects to start the moment a slide appears, this walkthrough will make it simple. We'll add your audio, set it to start by itself, optionally make it loop, and then test it so you know it works when you present. Start by opening your Google Slides presentation. Pick the slide where you want the audio to begin. Keep in mind that Google Slides pulls audio files from Google Drive, so your file should already be stored there. If it isn't, upload it to Drive first. Common formats like MP3 and WAV work well. Also, if you'll be presenting to others or sharing the deck, make sure the file's Drive permissions allow your audience to access it, or the sound may not play for them. Next, go to the Insert menu at the top, choose Audio, and select your file from Google Drive. Once you confirm, Slides will place a small speaker icon on your chosen slide. That icon represents the audio element. You can move it to a corner so it doesn't cover important content. Its position won't affect when it plays. Click the audio icon to bring up the Format Options panel on the right. If you don't see it, look for Format Options in the toolbar while the icon is selected. In the Audio Playback section, choose Automatically. This tells Google Slides to start your audio as soon as that slide appears, without any clicks. If you're comparing options, OnClick waits for a manual trigger, while Automatically begins right away, which is perfect for background music or pre-recorded narration. If you want the audio to repeat, turn on Loop Audio. This is helpful for longer sections of your presentation, or when the length of your talk on that slide might vary. You can also adjust the volume slider here to make sure the audio isn't too loud or too quiet relative to your presentation space. If your audio spans multiple slides, consider how long it is and whether you want it to loop, so there are no awkward silences. Finally, test everything in present mode. Click Present. Navigate to the slide where you added the audio and confirm it starts automatically. If you don't hear it, check your device's volume and confirm the audio isn't muted by the browser. Also verify that the file is accessible from Drive, especially if you're viewing on a different account or computer. And that's it. Your audio will now play automatically when the slide appears, and you can loop it if needed for a seamless presentation experience.